Hi, this is Dell 3524 here, and we're going to do an upgrade video on the Dell Optiplex GX360. This will be the RAM. So first thing you want to do here is take this up and slide this back and lift it up out of the socket. You will do the same if you have a floppy drive, which would be right here. You just pull the tab up and slide it back and take it out. Alright, right here is your DIMM slot. It's currently empty. The GX360 only has 2. Alright, you're going to want to take your RAM, which is DDR2, 240 pin. And what you're going to want to do here is line the empty slot up with that right there. Well, all you want to do is line that up, get it in the socket, press down evenly with 2 fingers, or try to until they click in, and then that's installed. And then what you're going to want to do is put this back. So all you got to do is put it back in, line it up with the sockets, and then just push it forward until it clicks in. And that's how to upgrade the RAM on the Dell Optiplex GX360. Any comments, questions below.